It is April 30th, 2020. This is my daily recap video. Today I took three trades, one loser, two winners. First one was first one was AAL, but I wanted to mention something first. Andrew mentioned CCL was looking like a short, and that was around here. I looked at it, and I thought it looks pretty good too. um, but because he said that, and because he said he was, then he took it right after that. I had that whole thing of I didn't want to just be copying him, so I didn't take the trade. But I saw AAL um, looking pretty good too, although I kind of hesitated again and got not the best entry. Also trying to find my key, the right key to press, and so not the best entry, but it was still looking okay. So I got in right here. I shorted it 100 shares, a little bit less, than full share size because I wasn't 100% sure. I didn't see anything on level two, and the real time price action wasn't it wasn't the best, but it was decent. And then I saw that this, it's getting close to this dash line down here. So I thought I better be aggressive. So and it didn't seem to want to drop. I mean, it came down here at this point. It looks like, but I guess I must have missed that or something. And then it came, went sideways a little. Well, opened up right here. I shouldn't say it went sideways. I covered a little bit, kind of aggressively here, and then it just looked like I was gonna go back up. So I just covered the rest and closed the position. So that was like a $2 winner, and I'm glad I did because well, yeah, I guess it would have stopped me out, but of course it comes down further, so that's kind of frustrating, but that's okay. And then now it's been going up, so but that's all right. It wasn't a red trade, so I'm not going to complain about that. And then I forgot Microsoft was on the watch list. I was flipping through a bunch of these stocks here, but I wasn't, I forgot about Microsoft, so I switched over to Microsoft, and I saw this. This isn't the prettiest here, but it did, but finally it did close below all these averages. And I did not see this on the 5 minute chart. I probably wouldn't have done it if I saw this. Um, right here is this gray line is an SMA. Um, so not the best place to go short since it's on top of it. But I liked here on the 1 minute charts or chart. Um, it just it has this pattern that I like. It's I don't know what to call it. It's kind of like a bull flag, I guess, but it's finding support right here, basically. And I thought it was going to continue downward. And I saw this pink dash line, purple dash line, whatever it is, here. So I figured I'd be aggressive in taking profits. Um, the real-time price action was all right. I don't think I saw anything on level two, so I wasn't sure. So I took, and I already took the lot. I already placed one trade, so I took even fewer shares. I took on this trade, I took 50 shares, I believe. Um, but it just didn't work out. It see this green up arrow. I got stopped out right there. So that was like a $9 loss. Happened pretty quick too. Microsoft tends to move more than something like AAL or CCL. So, anyways, stopped me out, went up, and I thought, okay, well, I'm glad I got out because it looked like it was gonna, continue moving up, but it didn't. It started coming back down more, and it started coming. It felt like the volume increased a little bit. The speed that I saw the time in sales increasing. So it looked like it was gonna just continue down and break down. So I hurried up and got in with fewer shares. At this time, I got in with 36 shares, and I'm glad I did get in. That is for this trade, for my third trade, because then it came down. I was still kind of aggressive because I wasn't sure how close it was going to get to this pink purple dash line. So it's kind of aggressive there. So I covered some. Then it dropped really fast. and really hard, crossed this line. So I covered some more and kept going, and it was near this red line now. So I covered some more, and then near previous state close in this other level here, and I just dropped hard, and I covered there, and then I covered there, and then it just looked like it might be done. It kind of made like this little tweezer bottom here. So and it just was going up, and I thought, okay, well, it's going to bounce right off this, this yellow dash, this level, this daily level I have here. So I figured it might be going back up. So then I covered the rest. I just got out completely. So that was actually a $43 win. So today I'm in the green, $36. So not bad at all. Especially that, this final trade just was like the most of my gains. It was again, 40 something dollar trade. So, and that was with only 36 shares. So that was quite amazing, actually. I wish, now hindsight, I wish I would have taken more shares, obviously, but I did the right thing at the time. So today was a pretty good day. I didn't do a whole lot wrong. Just my psychology was a little weird at the beginning, and I didn't see this. Again, I should have been more aware of this. Um, that might have, if I saw this, I might not have taken the trade. But of course, now I'm glad I didn't see that because I did take the trade. But I don't know, that may not have been a good idea. And normally. But the stock was in play. Microsoft had its earnings last night, I believe. So that helps. It had a lot of, it sure had a lot of momentum once it dropped down. So that was nice. Of course, up until here. But anyways, a good day, a green day. So I'm not complaining about that. That's for sure.